Hi guys! So, uwian na nga po. Picture-picture na tayo guys. For souvenir, I'm with Jacob, the cutest. Thank you po Tito Mark and Tita Grace.
Hello. Bye. Take the picture sila. Oh, go again, Jacob. Come on, come here, Jacob. Hi. Oh, it's not there. Come on. Yay, say cheese. Cheese. Okay.
We are all happy to see you all guys. Thank you for all the love. Ingat po kayong lahat lagi dyan. Have a safe flight back home. Keep in touch. Salamat po sa mga pasalubong. Hope to see you again soon. Mwah!